and today we're going to be talking about data breaches. There have been several significant data breaches in the past decade that have affected large companies. Here are some of the most notable ones. Number one, Equifax. In 2017, Equifax, one of the largest credit reporting agencies, suffered a breach that exposed the personal information of 147 million people, including names, birth dates, social security numbers, and other sensitive data. Number two, Yahoo. In 2013 and 2014, Yahoo experienced two separate data breaches that affected all 3 billion of its user accounts. The stolen information included names, email addresses, phone numbers, dates of birth, and security questions and answers. Number three, Marriott. In 2018, Marriott International, one of the world's largest hotel chains, suffered a data breach that exposed the personal information of 500 million customers, including names, addresses, phone numbers, and passport numbers. Number five, Target. In 2013, Target, a major US retailer, experienced a breach that affected 110 million customers. The stolen information included names, email addresses, phone numbers, and credit card information. Number six, Capital One. In 2019, Capital One, a large US bank, suffered a breach that exposed the personal information of 100 million customers and applicants, including names, addresses, credit scores, social security numbers. Number seven, eBay. In 2014, eBay experienced a data breach that affected 145 million users. The stolen information included names, email addresses, phone numbers, and encrypted passwords. Number eight, Anthem. In 2015, Anthem, one of the largest health insurance companies in the US, suffered a breach that exposed the personal information of 80 million customers, including names, birth dates, social security numbers, and other sensitive data. Number nine, in 2021, Microsoft Exchange email servers were attacked, affecting 60,000 companies worldwide. Hackers were able to exploit four zero-day vulnerabilities to gain unauthorized access to emails from small businesses to local governments. These are just a few of the largest data breaches in the past decade, and there have been many more others affecting a range of industries and types of organizations. If you want to stay up to date on recent breaches, make sure to subscribe to our channel and follow our blog, which is linked in the description below. Thank you for watching. Bye.